Mrs. Moran's 4th grade math class will be learning metric conversion today.
Once upon a time, in a kingdom called Metricdonian, there was a king who was very thirsty.
Maid, I want some chocolate milk.
But Your Highness, you don't usually drink chocolate milk. I don't know where to find some.
I said I want some chocolate milk. Find me some, maid.
Oh no. Well, I guess I better go to the village. Does anyone know where to get chocolate milk?
No.
Oh no. For sure the king will be angry if I don't find some. Can anyone help me find chocolate milk?
Try the farmer!
Yeah, the farmer. The farmer would be a great choice.
Yes, the farmer!
Where might be the farmer of Metricdonian?
I can take you there, maid.
We must go at once, for the king desires some chocolate milk. Hurry!
Howdy, ma'am. What can I do for you? I see you come from the kingdom.
The king says he wants chocolate milk, but I don't know why, because he doesn't usually drink chocolate milk.
This here's Chocolate Meisha. She's the best chocolate cow around and shall produce the best chocolate milk for the king.
Oh, thank you very much. The king will be so pleased with Chocolate Meisha's milk.
Maid, it's about time you came back with my chocolate milk. I'm so thirsty. Chocolate milk is absolutely wretched.
And that's why King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. So let's look at what the maid kept saying. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. That's also a great acronym for us to remember how to convert in the metric system. King being kilo, Henry being hecto, doesn't equals deca, usually is units, which in units that's meters, liters, and grams. Drink is deci, chocolate, centi, milk being milli. So let's look at some examples.
In our first example, we are converting 1 kilometer to meters. So using the acronym we just looked at, we are going to figure out how many meters are in 1 kilometer. Since we're in kilometers, we're going to start at the K and move to the right until we get to meters. Remember, earlier I said U was units, where meters were, so we only need to move right until we get to the U. Starting at the K, we will move to hecto, then deca, and stop at units. So we moved 1, 2, 3 places. 3 is how many times to the right we will move the decimal. Even though you don't see a decimal, there is one after the 1 because 1 and 1.0 is the same number. So we're moving the decimal over 3 places, and in those empty places we're going to put a 0. So our answer is 1,000 meters. So now we know there are 1,000 meters and 1 kilometer. In this next example, we are moving from meters to millimeters. So we're going to see how many millimeters are in 52 meters. Just like in the previous problem, we are going to use the same acronym, but instead of starting at kilometers, we are going to start at units, since that's where meters are. Next, to get to millimeters, we will move to the right until we get to the M. So we will move from units to deci, deci to centi, centi to milli, and we're going to count up how many times we moved. So counting them up, we see that we moved 3 times, so that's how many times we're going to move the decimal. Fill in the empty spaces with zeros, and our answer is 52 millimeters. In this problem, we are moving from centimeters to hectometers. We are going to find out how many hectometers are in 75,432 centimeters. Just like the other problems, we are going to use the same acronym. Instead of moving to the right, we will be moving to the left in order to get to hectometers. Starting at the C, we are going to move from centi to deci, deci to units, units to deca, and deca to hecto. Count up how many times we move. But remember, the direction you move the decimal is the same way you will move on the acronym. So we will be moving the decimal to the left 4 times. Since there are numbers already, we do not need to put any zeros. So the answer we get is 7.5432 hectometers in 75,432 centimeters.
This has been another Mrs. Moran video. Thanks for watching!